Here are some specs and features you may want to consider covering in your YouTube video review of the 2026 Ford Pinto. 1. Engine. Type, V8, V6, etc. Displacement. Horsepower. Torque. 2. Transmission. Type, automatic, manual, etc. Number of gears. 3. Drive type. Rear-wheel drive, RWD. Front-wheel drive, FWD. All-wheel drive, AWD. 4. Interior. Seating capacity. Materials, leather, cloth, etc. Features, heated seats, cooled seats, etc. 5. Exterior. Body style, sedan, coupe, etc. Length, width, height. Wheelbase. 6. Suspension and handling. Type, independent, live axle, etc. Shocks. Steering type, rack and pinion, etc. 7. Brakes. Type, disc, drum, etc. Size. 8. Safety features. Airbags. Anti-lock braking system, ABS. Electronic stability control, ESC. 9. Infotainment. Radio. CD player. Navigation system. 10. Other features. Cruise control. Power windows and locks. Sunroof. Additionally, you may also want to mention any notable features or options that were available on the 2026 Ford Pinto, such as luxury features like premium leather upholstery, wood trim, and chrome accents. Advanced technology features like GPS navigation and Bluetooth connectivity. Performance upgrades like a high-performance engine or sport suspension. Unique design elements like a distinctive grille or special edition trim packages. Remember to also highlight any notable changes or updates that were made to the 2026 Ford Pinto during its production run. Write a note for YouTube videos on 2026 Ford Pinto using above specs and features in 500 words without any quotation marks and headings, and tell that subscription its start and ending, and also channel introduction of auto drive use sentence for maximum view duration time on video.